Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView to Upstox. First, ensure both your TradingView and Upstox accounts are fully active and verified. Next, you'll need to enable API access within your Upstox account settings. This crucial step allows external platforms like TradingView to communicate with your Upstox brokerage. Finally, gather your unique API key and secret from Upstox, as these credentials are essential for the connection process. Before linking, make sure your TradingView and Upstox accounts are fully operational. Log into your Upstox account and navigate to the API management section. Here, you will find the option to generate or enable your API key and secret. These are unique identifiers that grant TradingView permission to execute trades on your behalf. Keep these details confidential and readily accessible for the next step. Now, open your TradingView platform and look for the Trading Panel or Broker Connections section. From the list of available brokers, select Upstox. You will then be prompted to enter the API key and secret you obtained earlier from your Upstox account. Carefully input these credentials to authorize the connection. Once entered, confirm the link, and your accounts should be successfully integrated. With your accounts linked, you can now enjoy seamless trading. Execute buy and sell orders directly from your TradingView charts, leveraging its advanced analytical tools. If you encounter any issues, first double-check your API credentials. For persistent problems, refer to the Upstox support documentation or contact their customer service for assistance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed while trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.